Hi dear friends, this is your Gallant IAS and welcome to another session of Jot Down series. So today we are going to deal with a small topic called minor relief features, which is from your geography, specifically from the oceanography part. So we already had done a video on major relief features. So if you have any doubt on that particular topic, you can easily watch it from our YouTube channel. So without wasting our time, let's get into the video. So mainly 5 minor relief features are there. The first one is the mid-oceanic ridges, then the seamount. Next, that is the third one is the submarine canyons, and the fourth one is geodes, and the last one is atolls. So this order is not important, but you should have some basic idea regarding these features. So let's discuss one by one. Then the first one is the mid-oceanic ridges. So a mid-oceanic ridges is composed of 2 chains of mountains separated by a large depression. So this is the definition which is given in the NCERT textbook, so please make a note on that. Here the height of this particular mountain can be reached up to 2500 meters, and some even reach above the ocean surface. Here the Iceland, which is a part of the mid-Atlantic ridges, is a very good example of this particular type. So here this example is also from the NCERT, so please try to make a note on that. Next one is the seamount. So seamount is nothing but it is a mountain with pointed summits rising from the seafloor that does not reach the surface of the ocean. Again, this is a definition from the NCERT textbook, so please try to note on that. Next important feature of this particular type is they are volcanic in origin. The best example of this type is the Emperor Seamount. Next one is the submarine canyons. So these are deep valleys, and sometimes they cutting across the continental shelves and slopes, often extending from the mouth of the large rivers. Then an example of this submarine canyon is Hudson Canyon, which is the best known submarine canyon in the world. So please note on that. So the next one is the geodes. So the geode is a flat topped seamount. So here the term flat topped, that is the key word here. So the interesting fact is that approximately more than 10,000 seamounts and geodes exist in the Pacific Ocean alone. Then the next one is the atoll. So these are low islands found in the tropical oceans, consisting of coral reefs surrounding a central depression. So it may be a part of the sea or form enclosing a body of fresh, brackish or highly saline water. So this is all about the important minor relief features. So here the definitions, examples, all such things were taken from the NCERT textbook. So at least this much of knowledge you should have about this particular topic. So before going to an end, let's discuss a model question. So the question is consider the following pairs. So the first one is geodes, flat topped seamount, then the mid-oceanic ridges, that is 2 chains of mountains separated by a large depression, then the submarine canyons, deep valleys cutting across the continental shelves. So which of the above pair is correct? So here we know that the answer is the option D, that is all of the above, because all pairs are correct. So this is for today to jot down, and please keep supporting us. Be safe and focus on your preparation, and thanks for watching.